ocho. This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. Hope everyone's had a great weekend and we're ready for a great week. How you doing today, Apple? Good to see you, Shark. I'm glad I'm not in the water. Then I wouldn't say good to see you, Shark, but here it's good to see you, Shark. Shark, I've actually, and I researched it, and everything I see doesn't make sense to me. So I haven't tried to take the plunge yet. I need to just like test it at some point and try and figure it out. So we've been heading up most of the night, pulling back now. We gapped up big at the open, evening open. 58.57 for the low, 58.84 for the high, so 27 points in range. NQ 525 for the low, 676 for the high. Is that right? Seems, yeah. It's about 151 points in range there. Doing good. Thank you, Apple. Copper, about 100 ticks in range. Ultra bond, about 3/4 of a point. Gold, all wild and wacky again. That's some looking chart there. About 19 points in range. Crude oil had a huge gap down at the open. Are you sure that? Yeah, you see gap down from 71, and this must have been a contract roll. I'm not sure though. 71 down to 68 since the open. It's uh, almost 170 ticks. Natural gas also heading down quick. Bitcoin City at 68.7. So that's where we sit stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take as I'm going through that. And Q decides to head downward. Let's see what we get today. Back to trading in MyFundedFutures account. News today, we have nothing, I don't think, but we'll look. Uh, Nothing besides the 1030, the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index, which isn't going to move the market. That's it for today. We have some major news reports the rest of the week, with Friday being non-farm payroll. Still falling here. Have we reached the bottom for now? That's the question. Give me a second here. Okay, we're under, so I'll take shorts. Still falling. Apple, how are things going for you trading wise? Have you been picking stuff up and practicing, or I forget exactly where you were in your journey. I remember you saying you're pretty new. Oh wow, that'd be quite the move there if you get it, Shark. I hope you do. I need to add the Jaws sound for when you're in here. Blue candle. Trade it. That's what I need. Trade till late. Excellent. That's what I like to hear. Good way to start the Monday, start the week. I was going to take that blue candle. I didn't. I regret that now. Really regret that now. Nice pop. Nice. Good work, Shark. Good way to start the week. Mind your folks. If you are enjoying today's stream, and you expect to enjoy it, I appreciate if you'll gore that like button for me. Gored hard, gored fast. Getting hung up on the 9 EMA. We're long on it. See if it can go. Target's the 20. Give me 1 second, GG Trading Consult. Long time no see. How you doing? When you see how this trade ends up, then I'll answer your question. There we go. Target hit. Good way to start the morning with a 7-point trade. The other big thing with take profit is in the eval, it's end of day drawdown. But once you move the funded, it switches to intraday drawdown. There is a 50% consistency rule in the eval, but none in the funded. You're very welcome. Still rising up, so I could have got more out of that trade, but I'm okay. ATR is around 7. I got 7. Good morning, JC. Good to see you. How was your weekend? Jay, you don't need to apologize for missing a stream. You're okay. And I appreciate you using my code and my links. Morning, Robin. So, Gigi, to answer your question, I need to know exactly, what are you looking for in a prop account? What I'm assuming you're wanting to stick with end of day, and what size do you prefer and all that, and then I could make the you know recommendation tailored for you. I mean, MyFundedFutures is my number one program. I mean, of all their plans, I still like the starter, but Tradeify is not in my top four. You couldn't go wrong with either. Um, like I said, Take Profit is great because they're the only one that allows you to withdraw daily from sim funded, and if you go live with them, you're allowed 5 live accounts, which is the most of any firm. But my funded futures starter very economical. Straightforward when you're going to go be put on live. Um, no funded setup fees. Okay, I appreciate that. Um, Yeah, I mean, if it were me, if I mean, I would, MyFundedFutures allows three accounts, is I would max those three out and of any kind, go out, if you want one eval and one of the milestones, whatever, um, or but I mean, I haven't personally used Tradeify, but I like their rules. Only reason I haven't used them is I already have enough accounts that I'm unjuggling, and they're the second. If you're looking at 50Ks, they're the second cheapest once you figure in fees because they also have no funded setup fees on their end of day accounts. How was your weekend, Robin? So is it a 50K size? Is that what you're looking for, Gigi? I'm doing pretty good, thanks, Robin. So here's my master 50K account sheet. You see, the MyFundedFutures starter comes in the cheapest. It's actually $80. They took away my 5% and lets you pay by Plaid. Tradeify Funded Futures Network. They have a BOGO right now. They're a different type of intraday. They don't follow your trade. Your intraday drawdown only increases after a trade is closed out. Profit trade intraday, and take profit trader comes in five. Legends is another decent one, and then Phidias would be number six when it comes to cheapest right now. Okay, Ninja Trader. So yeah, Tradeify. So forget Funded Futures Network. Forget Profit Trade. Yeah, take Profit Trader. Legends. Uh, you get down to Apex. If that's intraday. Bulenox intraday. Getting all intradays. Bulenox end of day is on sale right now. It still ends up being $191 though, but it's basically their price matching Top Step. And of course, I don't mention Top Step because I don't I can't promote them because they dropped affiliates. But Top Step's also good. I'm not gonna lie and say Top Step's no longer good. Top Step's still a top firm as well. So yeah, if you already have two of the milestones and you're looking for a different company, if you don't mind the switch of the from EOD to intraday, take profit. If you do, then Tradeify would be my next recommendations. Yeah, I mean, uh, once you get, if you go to the live, if not live sim, but the actual live, then the daily loss limit goes away. Morning, Chris. Mine was okay. Caught up on some sleep. At least everybody missed it, or anybody missed it, I guess I should say. I did put up a week in review video over the weekend. Here's the link for that. Hello, G. Good to see you. How much damage did you take from Milton, G? Thank you, Jay. Thank you, Shark. Short off that purple. I mean, I was worried about you, G, when I hadn't heard from you for like 5 days after that hurricane. Look at that. Boom. That pulls back out there. Should have took the 7 points. Ended up with 4. I got greedy, but 2 for 2 in the morning. Ouch. Hope not too much water damage for you. It was posted on their Discord, and it was Michael Patak said it somewhere, and then it was posted on their Discord by Mod. Hold on, let me see. I think it was might have been Twitter. Hold on. Let me look. Okay, it says they're going to make it right here from October 25th. This one is part of it. They're going to limit the amount of resets you can do in a day. Hold on. Let's see if I can find it. Yeah, here. This is basically the one. Someone asked if they're going to be changing any rules. At Patak replied, "We'll be implementing some things here very soon, meant to slow folks down, and another that if they're live, keeps their focus on that one account." Ooh, that sounds like a lot of damage, G. You know, foundation concern is bad. JC, everyone's worried about what the CME is going to do, and these companies don't look like they're enabling gamblers. So I think that's the reason for these tightening of the rules, even though no one has any real clue what the CME is going to do with the new rules, if anything. Hey, William, how you doing? I hope the insurance doesn't screw you, Mr. G. Well, with Top Step, it already does. I mean, with live. Okay, I see what you're saying. Yeah, basically, I guess they want you to just focus on the live account if you get called up. But it makes no sense to have allow the five XFAs if you are not allowed to trade them afterwards. So I don't know how they're going to do that. Aha! Thank you, William. That's a concern with Flexi, and probably going to see me right now. I'm actually, by the way, if anyone's in the Discord and interested, Flexi gave me 150K direct to funded account to give away. You just got to click a button. But Flexi says they have no plans on taking traders live. That's a big red flag if when the CME comes in, assuming that they do. I appreciate that. Um, what do you think those videos should have in them, Shark? By the way, rising back up here. Maybe I need to send a note into. I'll wait till after my giveaway is done, so they don't take that away from me. But yeah, excuse me 1 second. I'm gonna look something up. Yeah, thank, thank you. Still rising. I see NQ rising. Getting above the 200 EMA here. Yeah, it really is. And I mean, I've already kind of dropped Flexytrade down because they're now focused on direct to funded, which is fine because that's a new thing in the industry and everyone seems to be focused on that. But they're coming out with these huge plans. Like people keep asking about the 500K plan that they came out with. There's a $25,000 safety net. So you got to make $25,000 before you can ever think about withdrawing. How many traders have made $25,000 at all? But people see this huge drawdown and think, wow, that means I can't blow the account easy without thinking about the fact that it's going to take forever before I ever see any money. Oh, wow, gee. So there's still power outplay, oh, or just damage to the probably damage to the infrastructure there. Yeah, it's going to take that uh, state a while. I mean, North Carolina is still recovering from the other Helene or whatever. I saw there's another storm brewing in the Caribbean. I need to make a note of that, William, and put that in uh, next week's video. Another 50 years, all of Florida might be waterfront. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna I'm gonna send a note to affiliate. My giveaway ends on Halloween. I'll send in the question then. Yeah, I mean, I agree. But Flexi's kind of like Bulenox, in where you never hear from the owner. Still rising up here. Yeah, I'm gonna see what I can find out. Have you been paid by them, William? Well, I appreciate that. By the way, guys, I have a bounty out. If anybody sees someone advertising Bulenox or Apex with a code that looks like mine, MOT90 or MOT or something like that, can you please let me know? Someone's been stealing my codes. Yeah, I haven't been able to use MOT90 on Bulenox for like 2 months. And in that 2 months, my sales in Bulenox have gone down in half. Hey, Christy, how you doing? No, no, William. Someone's actually in their affiliate portal putting my code in to use for themselves. Me and Kelly are friends, by the way. She's active on my Discord. Yeah, let me show you, William, what I'm talking about as we watch NQ rise. This is my Bulenox affiliate portal. Every time there's a new sale, you got to come in and change. See how they have the default code? See where mine says Mighty90? That's almost always MOT90 for that 90% sale. But if I try and put in MOT90, it says it's already being used. Someone's already so I've been using this for months. Someone decided to grab it before I could change it to mine, and so thus I'm now having to use Mighty90. They also have Mighty Mott 83, so I had to use Ox 83. So and then someone the other day. Now I've never had Mott on yeah, on Apex, but somebody does because someone tried to put Mott in for the discount, thinking it was my code, and it worked. So yeah, yeah. Well, I don't know if it's squatting or if they're. I mean, they might actually be making money from it because, like I said, my uh, Bulenox sales have dropped by over half, and since I was no longer able to use Mott90. So if anyone sees anyone using, oh yeah, that's right. Thank you, Christy. Yeah. I'm also going to talk. I mean, technically, since I've never used it on Apex, I don't have a claim to it. Bulenox is going to reserve it for me after the sale ends, so I'll be able to use it from now on. But yeah, I just want to know who's doing it. I'd love to know because they may have stolen money from me. Morning, John. How was your weekend? Mine was pretty good. Still rising here on the Q. What's our high day? 676. About 26 points away. High of Friday was 707. I think as I said. Yeah. Yeah, it is an accomplishment, John. Were you fighting the trend? Or you just get caught in a flush? Understand, John. What's that, William? Okay. You gotta. I've been watching that. I'm not sure when it's launching, but yeah, I follow them on Twitter. So far we're 2 for 2 in the morning. We're up 210.64 to start the week. That'd be nice. With more firms starting to add the Project X, aka Topstep X, shame they won't be able to support them, but still pretty good otherwise. Nice job, G. I sure would trust that, but it's an interesting concept, yeah. See, I don't copy trade much at all, and now if I can find a reliable trader, copy trader, maybe. I always worry that, you know, though that I'm gonna instead of messing up one account at a time, I'm gonna mess up multiple accounts at a time. Morning, Speed Racer. Nice to see you. Yeah, please, guys, if you're enjoying the stream, expect to enjoy the stream, or you just want to take pity on me, hit that like button for me. Gore it. Yeah, and I mean, we're gonna have to test out that trade sinker real well to make sure that doesn't happen with them too. I've never had a problem with the TradeDay copier. I have used that in the past. Yep, 10 minutes until the top of the hour, about 39 minutes until the bell. Yeah, Monday with no news. I mean, this is really moving good for a Monday with no news. I said no news, not no nudes. Yep, daylight savings time coming up. And by the way, folks, in case you missed it, Europe changed their clocks this past weekend. So if you trade Europe, London's opening at a different time than normal for the next week. London Bridge is falling down. I think I did see a bunch of earnings this week. I'm sure there's anything today. At least nothing showing up financial juice, but let me take a Ganda. Yeah, tomorrow, Pfizer, McDonald's, Alphabet, Visa, AMD. I will. Actually, gonna get one of those Phidias swing accounts, and play with it. To all beef patty, special sauce, lettuce, cheese. Crude continues to fall. Yeah, that was amazing. Uh, John, absolutely amazing, and I'm happy that the Dodgers are up to nothing. I'm also happy that it looks like Otani avoided serious injury. But I bet you he doesn't try any more stolen bases. Still rising up. Back up to 653. Can it get through here? It's kind of bumped it 3 times now. Boop, 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 boop. Well, thank everyone for joining me today. Nice crowd here today. Feel free to join the chat if you like, but no pressure. Questions and comments are always welcome. Yeah, way, way too early for that kind of comparison. Wow, that's pretty expensive. Uh, oh, you mean like a site that has like a whole bunch of different companies? Oddly, I think that might have been mine. Hmm. Wonder if that's considered why my sales are down. I wonder if people actually use those sites for prop firms and they can't use my Mont 90. You know, they're not using it. That's interesting. Um, can you email me the link? I don't think it's going to allow you to post it in here, William. Can you email it to me? MightyOxTrading at Gmail. I would appreciate that. So you're saying investing is, wait for it, Greek to them? Oh yeah, it was terrible. I know. Well, they're wrong about that, but because it's 10:31. But yeah, email that to me, please, and thank you. I think that'll be the same. I don't think that's a good question. I don't know. I want to say it's not. Yes, we're about, yep, top of the hour, still rising up. Let's see if we have any wonkiness. Anyone else taking any trades this morning? Yeah. Hopefully soon or sometime after the bell, JC. Nice, John. So you're back in the green? Okay, JC, I wasn't sure. Back in the green, taking profits again. Boom, 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 boom. Sorry, kind of zoomed out for a second. You mean the one Robin did for me? Hey, Saudi guy, drop in here. Line indicator guy. Yeah, I know a couple people that have gotten paid from Flexytrade, but they're tough. Oh, John Burrell. Yeah, Robin made for money made a AI um, song for me for my birthday. If that's the one you're talking about. Here, hold on. Let me give me one sec. I'll play a little bit of it as the market drops. Guys, this is a song made by Robin, aka For Money, for me for my birthday. Let me just adjust levels here so we don't blow people's ears out. Play it here a little bit as we watch the market fall all of a sudden. Hit the little.
Early morning, sun shines bright. Open charts with all my might. Trade the news until it's right. Mighty Ox is my guide tonight. Prop firms give me wings to fly. Risk it all beneath the sky. Winning big or saying bye. Mighty Ox teach me why. Trade days, trade nights. Profit sales in wealth's delight. Mighty Ox shows me the side. Prop firms make it feel so right. Candles dance in markets fire. Hopes and dreams fuel my desire. In the bull's run I'll aspire. Mighty Ox take me higher. Green and red they tell their tale. Navigating without fail. Market whispers mighty gale. Mighty Ox in the trail. Trade days, trade nights. Profit sales in wealth's delight. Mighty Ox shows me the side. Prop firms make it feel so right. Prop firms make it feel so right. Green and red, they tell their tale. Navigating without fail. Market whispers mighty gale. Mighty Ox in the trail. Trade the days, trade the nights. Profit sales in wealth's delight. MightyOx shows me the sight. Prop firms make it feel so right.
Once again, thank you to Robin for making that. Whoa, what the heck? Thank you for Robin for making that for my birthday. I appreciate that so much. Yeah, she gets all the royalties. I've had it sitting here in a tab ever since she sent it over. A visual, it's not that they're shady, but they're tough. No DCA, no. They'll find rules to not pay you, but you can get paid if you follow the rigid rules. There is much better options out there for direct to funded than Flexytrade. And I appreciate you, Robin. Yeah. Yeah, as far I mean, August. I lost it in September. That September is when someone started using it. Yeah, should figure out how to put that song on my stream intro. I do have 3 accounts with FTT. Yeah, I know. Basically, Flexi's not high on my list of props to promote at this point. Although I am giving away a free 150K direct to funded account on Discord right now because they let me. Ooh, I like this pop in blue. I like a blue pop. And that's, I mean, I have a feeling, I have a feeling that's exactly what they were supposed to say. And I have a feeling that's going to be what upper management says too. No, that finished on Friday, Saudi guy. But I would advise the 25% off the 25K account. That one's best. It's a static drawdown. Took a long here off this blue candle. I need to see it break through those EMAs though, so I may get out of this real quick. Still trying to fight that 9. Another blue candle though. There we go. Come on. Can you get through the 20? Morning, Crypticon. How are you? I appreciate you asking those important questions, William. Back down to my entry. Struggling here. No, it's not struggling. There we go. Come on. Put in the stop real tight. See if we can go. There we go. Still not really going though. There we go. There we go. I'm just gonna take the 5 point. Take the 5 points on that because I thought I was gonna get stopped out. So I'm happy there. We're 3 for 3 on the morning, up 305.96. I mean, no one's 100% sure that they'll have to. No one. I mean, everyone's speculating what the CME says is going to say. No one's sure. No, and no one's sure when. So I don't know. I'll. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I got. Yeah, I did. Wow, quick reversal Uh, Gotta come back up. Yeah, that's been floated around as well. That they want more live traders and back down. hanging around here. Good morning, Ace. How are you? How was the weekend? Gotta love the miss the two different agents is two different things thing. I'm glad to hear that, Ace. I'm sure that was very refreshing. As a short CS, so I like that trade there, Ace. Yeah. So the first conversation was a few weeks ago, William. They might have started. I mean, let's face it, the winds have been blowing more and more heavily the last couple of weeks. Things may have changed. Nice fall here. Breaks back through the 200 EMA. Popping back up a little bit. Analytical market theory. Haas. Morning. Morning. Esot. Patrick. Not Haas. Anywho, how you doing today? Yeah. Yeah, my brain's a Monday. My brain isn't working fast enough. It's like missing that purple candle there that I should have taken. Yes, you should have, Ace. Yeah. Later this week, I'll send a note into the my affiliate, whoever answers that question is there, and see what they say. So I missed that purple right there. That was a good one. That was just me being distracted by looking up something else. 3 for 3 on the morning so far, up 305. So in other words, it's not possible yet because they haven't. they're giving you a lot of very. They're being very vague because I'm not sure they have stuff in place yet. That's interesting. By the way, you saw a great call on crude as usual. I was looking at it. He's not really troubles Ace. He's basically doing research for me with Flexytrade. Nice. So you wanted to break down through the blue box. And I appreciate that very much. Our 2 minute warning from Ace. 2 minutes till the bell. Yeah, I don't think you're gonna get anything much more out of them, William. That's the stupidest statement ever, William. That of course, yeah, someone's not gonna come off the street. They're gonna give them a live account. I wonder how many people know those names anymore today. Ace. 20 seconds till the bell. RJ's late. Make sure you collect a fine when he comes in, Ace. Big drop. That's a whoosh. Morning, Sid. How are you? How are things down on the farm? Drop down, 40-point drop here almost. Now it's 40. Wow. And we should be repeating we should be repeating the following phrase. I will not try and catch a falling knife. I will not try and catch a falling knife. I will not try and catch a falling knife. Boy, there's a second whoosh. Yeah, I agree, William. Pop back up. Big pop though. I don't like big candles. It's a 30-point pop, 33-point pop. Tickles the 9. I could have got a quick 10 points after that. Tickles the 9, moves back down. Another blue candle. Still can't get through the 9. It's fighting. Can it come back? I don't think it's going to come back. Hey, Platt. It's a Monday. Those things happen. Really choppy fighting here. Trying to figure out which way it wants to go. Blue candle above the 9. Oh, nope, rejects. It's a rejection. Nice ace. He has fallen faster than the NQ. Gold rising up nicely. Crude popping up. The Dow popping up. All right. So it's got down to hit 564, but needs a couple more points down. 67.81. All right. Ace, he's really, really good. And I'm starting to listen to some of the stuff he does. He's giving me some great indicators. So breathe. I like I like what he does, Ace. So relax a bit, please. I sat in on one of his live streams last week, and it was very interesting. Discord is Ace's kryptonite. Every now and then he can figure it out. Ace is also a very good trader. He trades for 2 points a day on ES. His thing is 2 points a day can feed a family, and then he'll get a good runner a few times a week on for 5 or 10 points on the ES. His consistency with that is like amazing. So we always kid with him that when he only gets 1 point, which side of the family is not going to eat. uh, there's 560 on NQ. So 560 was the balance. Oh, isn't it all, at least here on TradingView, it's showing that's where the middle line is for that as well. Okay. Great job, Sid. Have fun on the farm. Don't don't beat up Brooks too badly. Okay. Okay, cool. Because I really don't have the 6 months to learn Sierra. Wait, William, you use Sierra too? Holy crap. That's pretty amazing. My eyes gloss over when I see something like DTC protocol. My coding knowledge went out the window like 20 years ago. Taught myself HTML once, and that's pretty much where I stopped. Morning, Moxie. How you doing? Doing pretty good. Whoosh back down. He's testing that 560 area that Isad talked about, which is analytical. Yeah, I saw that. I actually considered taking a long on crude off one of these blue candles. So I didn't. Russell? Oh wow, yeah, Russell is rising. Dow's rising too. By the way, everyone, I'm going to be setting up another one of our little fun challenges on Discord, this time with trading natural gas. uh, we have a guy in here. He's not here today. I'm not sure where he's at, but thinks the Dow's a great place for beginners to start instead of like on NQ or even ES. Why shouldn't I have said that? Oh, okay. Yeah. Well, what I am going to do this time, William, is I'm going to limit it that people can only trade one contract. And it's not a race. It's just can you pass an eval using this instrument? Ouch. I'm curious how big the loss is, but I understand if you don't want to share that. Ouch. Yeah, they say people only insane. I've seen many memes that say only insane people trade natural gas. I've taken on a yeah, well, NG. Oh, you kept adding and it kept going against you. Still falling. 529 half our low now. Is that our low a day? No, low a day technically 525. Yes, Wim. Ouch. Big ouch. Yeah. Always wanted to figure out options, never have done so yet. Oh, that is awesome. Hold on. Well, let me make sure I'm not missing a trade. Nope. Okay. Blow this up. There we go. Check this out, guys. Crude oil cake at Assad's wedding. That is awesome. That is really cool. Even dripping. That's awesome. Thank you for sharing that. Ooh, pop here on the blue candle. Yep. She knows you well. That's all. That was seriously. That's really awesome. Blue candle would have tricked me, but I didn't take it. I didn't let it. Let's pull it back again. Micros, I guess people could if they wanted to, but it's a competition, so not a competition, it's just a challenge to see whether someone can, pass an eval with something that most people don't trade. So if they want to do 10 micros instead, I don't think I have a problem with that. It's supposed to be fun. It's not supposed to be a race or anything, It's just, can you do it with a cheap eval, tell everyone to get a Bulenox or whatever. Thank you very much, Isad. I appreciate it. And I thank you for stopping in. Long here. Struggling to get above the 20. There it goes. Oh, gets knocked back down. I get knocked down. Oh, and now we're red. Ouch. Ouch. Come on, go back up. There we go. Ow. It breaks the 9 amount. Oh, look at that pop. I was just ready to jump out. Ah, should have jumped out there, though. They might be giving me another try. Another try. Dang. There it goes. Whoa. I'm out with a green trade for 6 ticks. Thought for sure it was going to be a stop out. Figures now it's going to give me another blue candle. Wonder what would happen if you send in a support request and ask if it could be added. Excellent, John. Excuse me 1 second. I'm back. Still struggling here at 570. Gold falling now. ES still struggling. Dow pulling back. Yeah, I guess it's shy, John. You didn't go down with the ship, did you? Okay, I gotcha. I gotcha. Yeah, I get. Yeah, I get it now. I'm slow this morning. I'm slow. Going nowhere fast. Crude. Look at that bounce. So yeah, I should have taken that crude trade. All right, guys. Someone asked me about these blue boxes, and that guy that was just here, analytical market theory. He's the one that wrote the script for that. You can see here taking this blue candle out of here with an excellent, excellent. How about a golden gun? Oh, I don't know, Ace. Do you think we should call the Mounties to see if they can find RJ? Yeah, I've never owned a gun. Blue candle, digging. Ooh, really big now. 16 points. Froze me. Let me see what happens. Could have got 10 out of that. If you don't have a gun, why do you need a gun safe, Ace? His guns? I mean, I was just chatting with him last night. I could ask him to see him. Ooh, excuse me. Hey, Rabowski, how you doing? Tries to get up a little bit higher. Another purple candle. John Skelton is the co-founder of Apex Trader Funding. Well, I'm assuming that he means John Skelton has a nice gun or nice gun safe. Does live in Texas, and I think it's required. You probably have it for animal protection up there, right, Ace? Oh, I no, I agree, but I mean, like, do you have? I know you have a. like Prowl Coyotes and all that. Hang in here at 574. ES at 58.71. So far, I mean, we had a little bit of a grindy rise up. Sitting here, it's doing nothing fun. And 4 for 4 on the day. Two of them were kind of small. I have never fired a real gun in my life. I've shot an airsoft gun. Back up to almost 600. Well, he meant if it hit 62, then it was going to flush down. If it didn't, then it was a good chance to come back up. Another blue candle here trying to form. Oh, now down. Pulling back here a little bit. I haven't liked this price action. This blue candle that would have worked, but eh. And we're popping, popping, stop it, popping like a rabbit. Wow, still going 603. 30 minutes left to go. How's everyone sitting on the morning? Red, green, somewhere in between? Figured you were green, Ace. Mean and green. Struggling at 600. There it breaks through up to 608. Ooh, it hits that 100 EMA and whooshish. Whooshish. Whoosh that your sauce is down. I missed it. Looking for my chart. Duh. Nice pullback here. So it got up to 611, back down to 575 that quick. Bounces. See if this can get through the EMAs. Seems like that's a no so far. Still trying, but I don't know. More in Burrell? There we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Out. Got 5 points. Could have got 9, but it pulled back. But still, perfect trading today now. Up 426, I think. Wait, maybe not perfect. Did I take a loss? Now I gotta look at my stats. Hold on. I don't even remember. Nope, five trades, 5 winners of 426.60. Yep, right back up. Another blue candle trying to entice me. I do not have a code for ATAS or ATAS, whatever that is. Eh, they do have a referral program. That's fine. Jume's a good guy. We can have an open relationship. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see if he can get that off the ground. He's adding a complicated factors to it. Yeah. Big old purple candle. Touches the 9. Yeah, but not on stream, bro. Trading by top steps like off stream. Trying a short here. See if we can get through this 9 EMA. That looks like it wants to bounce. That was a huge mistake. Stopped out. Just gave it back about a half my profits. That was just dumb of me. It's just easier to trade something on TradingView on stream, like Top Steps on Top Step X. I got to constantly hit the button to show the chart and all that. Oh, there's another purple. Big purple. Ouch. Snaps back. Coming back down. Bro, are you the new Pinky in the Brain? Can't get through the 20. Blue candle back up. Coming back down. Yep, grinding up. What's that, William? I do back testing on the weekends, but with charting, uh, charting out what the trades that would match my criteria. I don't usually replay much. I probably should, but there we go. Come on down. Come on down. You're the next contestant in. Give Ox money. It's DC8 on that. We're with 2 contracts now in this fall. Boom. Hit target on one. Other one's coming back. Took the second one because of that second purple candle. Doesn't seem to want to go for me out. I'm out of that one. It's like also that one. Nice win on the other one. Back up to 387 on the day. Uh, if they have an affiliate program, yeah. Hanging on these EMAs now. 5 minutes to go in the stream. And down. So good day. One bad trade. Finishing up 387.56. I don't know. I need to talk to RJ. See when he wants to do it. Well, it'll have to be the 18th. I'm sorry, the 8th, the 15th, or the 22nd. Yeah, I prefer to do them on Fridays, William, so I can like catch up on sleep on the weekend. I will. Yeah, I agree. I agree. So I do want to thank everyone for joining me today. We'll be back tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern time for another great day of trading. Hope everyone has a great day today. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.